Alright, so obviously the title is clickbait, but stick around because I'm going to show you how you can install these Rugged Works bed stiffeners by only watching a 5-minute video. Today we are going to install these Rugged Works bed stiffeners. So I've got some tools laid out. It is currently 4:30, just rolled 4:30. So we're going to see how long it actually takes to install these. Everybody says that they are extremely simple, so let's get started. We've already hit our first snag, these bolts right here. So I have a T50 Torx, and a T50, and a T60. T60 is too big, T50 is too small. Thought maybe I could get away with a an 8mm Allen. It's just a little bit too small and it's wanting to twist in there also. So guess we're making a run to the parts store. $17 later. That's the one we're after. They didn't have individual, just the set. It is now $4.58. So it was a waste of 30 minutes. We're gonna get started again. Well, there's one side in. It's pretty simple. It is now 5:17, so about 15-17 minutes. You do have to take the tail light out. You don't need to disconnect it as long as you're okay with your cables sitting against the side here. And then you can reach all three of the bolts from the inside there. The bolts are a 14mm on both sides. So now we'll move over to the other side and get that one going. Something to make note of, anytime you're dealing with fabricated parts, especially something that's been welded on, you know, down below or bent in a press, anything like that, see how this line doesn't line up right up top? It's nothing to do with the part being bad or anything like that. It's when this piece was bent, it probably got bent just a little bit much. So all you have to do is when you go to mark your holes, you'll see I just kind of hold it back a little bit until that gap is even across there. And that'll help true everything up. A couple of times down the trail of everything kind of bouncing around and it'll alleviate itself into the right position. So just make it even, make it clean. There you go. They are installed. Everything's back together. Tools are all put away. Now I have this rubber bed mat, so I still need to trim that, but not everybody has those, so I won't include that in the time. Speaking of time, let's see here. It is 5:40. So, hour and 10 minutes, including taking our trip to the parts store, which was about 25 minutes or so. So realistically, less than an hour, maybe 45 minutes. And that includes even me messing with cameras and stuff too. So that was start to finish. So like I said, less than an hour. Extremely easy to do. I'll put a link below and go check them out. I always like supporting local companies if I can, and this guy, his company is local to me even, not just local in Arizona. So go check them out, Rugged Works, and I'll see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching.